denied my application. I'm not a slave of your institution. You want a weapon of mass distraction. I'll give you a demonstration. By the way, there are no moneymakers on this record. This time I'm exploring the loser's point of view. Never mind the term. It's a renegade breakdown. I don't want your advice on how to elaborate my speech. I have no interest in your political agenda. Your intentions fluctuate like the stock market. Your masquerade is grotesque. Your style, overcalculated. The uglier I feel, the better my lyrics get. And I feel disgraceful whenever you're around. I thought I saw you taking a picture last night. So give me something to remember. Your pointless opinion, I couldn't care less. How do you come up with such meaninglessness? Your cheap headlines, your lazy writing. I wonder how it feels for you to sit around all day. I'll tell it to your face, for once and for all. My life is anti-strategic, lying between comic and tragic. Shame to desert what I've never needed from the start. Take back everything. I don't cling on to products. If I had a perfume line, it should be called No Collab. Expect no collaboration. No need to call the cops. I'd rather self-police. I betray everything I make. Anger is everything I am. Your science is a poison I can no longer ingest. Take your prescription and shove it up your ass. This is where we part, and this is how I end. The capitalization of my deprivation. So next time you think about me, might as well cross me off your list. I really don't need an applause.